Hey YouTube, this is our stretching dog, and this is gripe water, and this is what we're going to talk about today. Hi, this is THEGREENCABBY with We Is the Future, our channel that is focused on our family and how we can spend time with our family and what we can do. Well, one thing that we recently got from our many gifts that we got when our baby was born was gripe water. Now, a lot of people don't understand what gripe water is, and a lot of people don't understand what it does. Now, the great thing about gripe water is if your child or infant during the night is having, abdominal pain from gas, or they have colic, or various other things, the great thing is it's very calming to the baby. It can calm gas, it can calm upset stomachs, cramping, stuff like that. Now, the thing is if you look at it, there's a couple ingredients in there, and the ingredients, you got, I don't know if you can see that, but you got glycerin, fructose, sodium bicarbonate, which is baking soda. You've got citric acid, which is vitamin C, potassium sorbate, and fennel flavor. Okay, so fennel flavor is all well and good, but it's got fennel in there. It's got ginger. Now, fennel and ginger, are good for the stomach. But the big thing that you need to look at is the sugar. Sugars, 3 grams of sugar. It's one of the top ingredients on here. And, unfortunately, we had to go to the emergency room, a few days after our son was born, just to make sure that everything was okay. They had to draw some blood and various other things like that. And they have something at the hospital called Sweeties. And what Sweeties is basically gripe water on crack. And basically what it is Sweeties is basically water and sugar, or sucrose. And the reason that they use that is they use it for topical, to help the baby if they have any kind of surgery, whenever you're having a circumcision or whenever they're putting in an IV or anything like that. They give them this thing called Sweeties, which is basically sugar and water. And the reason they give it to them is, as opposed to using drugs or alcohol or anything like that, they actually give them this, and the reason that it works is because when they are very, very young, their livers are not fully developed. You can usually use it between 3 months and 6 months and before. And what happens is, since their liver cannot fully break down the sugar, it actually acts like alcohol and makes your baby loopy. So the secret to gripe water is that sugar is almost like vodka or rum for your baby. And what happens is, when they get it, within a couple seconds to a minute or two, your baby will be calm, they will be soothed, and they will not be in pain. And the reason that is because you are giving your baby the ability to basically have baby liquor. So that's what we found out at the hospital, and this is what they use anytime that they're doing any kind of basic procedures on babies, or when they are colicky or too fussy or whatever. And that's the exact same thing that's in gripe water. So since sugar is one of the main ingredients, remember, babies cannot fully process sugar, and when it hits their liver, it treats it like alcohol. So that's a big thing for gripe water. If you ever wanted to make your own gripe water, all you need to do is, if you want to have the added effects of ginger and fennel, what you can do is you can crush up fennel seeds, and you can put some chopped up ginger into some hot water for about 2 or 3 minutes. Let it steep like a tea. Drain them out so that you don't have those pieces in, whether you have a sieve or whatever you have to drain it out. And then once you have that, melt some sugar into that water, let it cool, and you have your own gripe water. Instead of paying $4 to $6 to $8 a bottle, you can make your own. It's quick, easy, and simple. So we just wanted to go ahead and share the secret of gripe water with you, let you know what it is, what it does, and how you can make it. If you have any questions, let us know here at We Is the Future. We definitely appreciate you watching. If you get a chance, please subscribe so that we can share a lot more family fun with you, as well as more information on all the baby gifts that we've gotten, as well as things that we do in our life. If you get a chance, please favorite, please like, please tweet, please pin, and if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up, and we'll talk to you soon.